All right, we are still in Dallas at Asis, the biggest security conference and exhibition. Here with Gary Jones.
How are you, Jonas? How are you doing?
Great for having us.
Thank you.
We are here at OT Morpho. We all know Morpho obviously from the great biometric applications and products. Can you tell me a bit more about it?
Absolutely. So what I wanted to speak to you about today is really a main trend in the biometric industry, which is focusing more and more on frictionless biometrics, meaning that you should be able to maintain high speed and high throughput, but also at the same time have very high levels of security. So a product that we have mutually recently integrated into your line of gates and turnstiles is the MorphoWave technology. This is a system which does three-dimensional acquisition of fingerprints. It scans all the fingers on the hand with a very simple action, simply a wave motion. I can demonstrate that quickly, simply by waving the hand through the device. Gives you an immediate response, and this is really changing the way that customers can deploy biometrics to have extremely high throughput, and it works very well in an integrated fashion with the Boon Edam range of turnstiles.
Yeah, we've seen a great integration with our Lifeline Swing turnstile. What do you see as the future of this technology? Because we see a great increase of use of biometrics. This is a very nice frictionless solution. We see the facial recognition, other types of biometrics. How do you see that in the coming years?
Absolutely. So what we see happening is for this type of technology to be deployed in more and more form factors and in more and more locations. So right now the product was designed initially for very high throughput locations, and with all of our technology you'll see a very important evolution of taking the same principle and using it in more locations to give more flexibility. You mentioned facial recognition. This is a very important and highly complementary technology. What it allows you to do is to build virtual barriers or zones on top of your physical layers of security. This is really important because sometimes you may want to do things like surveillance of areas of high risk to make sure that the correct people are in a certain environment, or to track people to make sure that you maintain safety and security once people are beyond a physical barrier. So things like our long-range facial recognition tools and analytics tools are becoming more and more important and complementary to the traditional at a barrier type of biometric solution.
Great, thank you so much, and thanks for the great collaboration on some projects, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Likewise, thank you, Jonas. It's a real pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
Okay.